Hey guys, what's up from Miami, Florida? Today we are heading back to London with the British Airways on the A380 in their cargo cabin. That's BA's business class cabin. We're just gonna head to the airport now, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. We're good. There you go.
Thank you. Awesome,
go.
thank you. Heading just to London?
Yes.
And then the lounge is in D30. It's the American Airlines lounge.
Can I use the Flagship Lounge?
Yes, yes.
That's
yes,
Flagship
of
Lounge,
course,
right?
of course, 'cause you're in
Emerald,
business,
gold,
and also.
Yeah.
So definitely you can use it. Just kind of keep an eye out on the time. 15
Sure.
minutes is a good
It's a
amount
good
of
thing,
time
yeah.
to give yourself.
Yeah.
And then the best way is checkpoint 4 down that
Okay.
way in front of, next to KFC.
All right. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just come on outside real quick.
So I can give you the card.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go.
How you doing?
Oh.
Just give me 1 second.
Oh yeah. There's 2 passengers.
Yeah, just
Oh, okay,
waiting for
sorry.
that for one. Do you have the? There you go. And you can see Wi-Fi access.
Yes, please.
They're level 2, right? Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Take care. Sorry. Can you? Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, so I've just made it to the lounge, and this lounge in particular features a hot buffet, hence why I prefer coming here. And I've just got some fish and rice. Let's see how it tastes. Fish is a bit dry. It tastes good, but it's a bit dry. I remember the food last year. Well, this time last year was a lot better, but it's okay for now. Let's go.
Se ha alejado de las puertas.
Hi.
Looking at the camera.
Sure.
One moment, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, hi. How are you?
Your seat number is lovely. So if you head across and then take a left forward.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
I'll give you something else, but all the things I had on their late night menu.
Sorry, can I just put it off? Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Hi.
A very good evening to you all. My name is Becca, and on behalf of the entire crew, welcome on board this British Airways flight to London Heathrow. To help us depart as soon as possible, please place all your larger hand baggage securely in the overhead lockers. Smaller bags, including those tagged with the yellow label, must be placed in emergency exit row or in our first or club burrowed cabins. The whole area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please keep the aisle clear for all our remaining customers to join us on board. As a reminder,
Right, there's water and an Amenity Kit ready at my seat as well. Just a quick overview of the seat. We've got the footrest over there, which forms the lower portion of the flatbed. We've got some storage over here. We've got universal power socket, USB port, seat controls over here, IFA controls. I've gone for orange juice as my welcome drink. Cheers.
a very good evening to you all. My name is Becca, and on behalf of the entire crew, welcome on board this British Airways.
The tray table folds out from here, and as does the in-flight entertainment screen. Now, the unique feature of the upper deck on the A380 are these side storage bins. So I've pretty much put everything here, and there's quite a lot of space. Now, row 53, I've got 3 storage bins next to me, which is quite handy. So I don't even need to use the overhead lockers. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. that's accompanied by a salad and some bread and butter. And of course we've got some turbulence as well. Prawns are actually nice. Flavor is good. It's much better than the soup. 8 out of 10 for the prawns. I've gone for the banana pudding. So it is. Now that's good. It's really nice. It's not too sweet. Breakfast has arrived, and I've gone for the scrambled egg and spinach wrap, which is accompanied by a muesli and a croissant. And I've also got some butter and some jam. Let's try it out. That's actually really good. Wow. It's also got some cheese inside. That's really. So the contents of the Amenity Kit include socks, eye mask, earplugs, moisturizer, lip balm, something to help you relax, pen, toothbrush, and toothpaste.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye now.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is arrivals, baggage reclaim and flight connections all terminals. Please take your belongings with you. This flight is